Hello again, let's make this drawing. To start, we have this polygon. It's a 6-side polygon with a circumscribed circle. The diameter of the circle is 40. So pick a polygon, set the number of sides to 6, and the type to circumscribed circle. Then the diameter is 40. As you can see now, the circle is fully defined, but the polygon is not. And that's because you can rotate it about the origin. As you can see here, we have this line as a vertical line. So let's set this to vertical. Now we have a fully defined polygon. Again, we have another circle here with diameter of 70. So sketch another circle and set the diameter to 70. Now we have this circle with diameter of 16 and distance of 90. First, make horizontal, then set this to 16 and the distance is 90. Now draw another circle here, since we still don't know the radius. You can calculate it, but let's do it in another way. As you can see, we have a distance between the end of the drawing here and the center of this polygon of 110. So select a center line, and once you get this quadrant point, just put the mouse over the circle, and once you get it, draw a vertical line, and now set this distance to 110. Now draw a random arc like this and make it tangent here and tangent here. Now, as you can see from the drawing, we have this distance to be 35. It's by the end of the arc and to the center of the circle. So from this point, draw a horizontal center line and make it tangent to the arc, then make it tangent to the circle, and we already defined the tangency here. Now just to trim these. Draw another center line, then mirror this part. Finally, we need to trim this part. Thanks for watching.